Hi, Hawk Nation. We're going to start reading a book by Jacqueline Woodson in class called Locomotion. Before we begin, I want to remind you, readers pay attention and think about words and ideas in order to understand what we are reading. We carry around an inner conversation with the text. I have a voice in my head that speaks to me as I read. It says different things depending on what I'm reading. My thinking when I'm reading new information is different from when I reread something or read something that confuses me. Have you ever noticed a voice in your head that talks about what you are reading? Think about that. If you can, write down what you're thinking about. Active readers leave tracks of their thinking, so we're going to start using Post-it notes. Be sure to bring your Post-it notes to class so that you can talk to your small group about what's been going on when you read Locomotion. When we pay attention to that inner voice and leave tracks of our thinking, we understand and learn much more from our reading. Let me read a little. And as I read, I want you to notice the thinking I'm doing. I'm going to think out loud, show you my inner conversation. Mama, some days like today and yesterday and probably tomorrow, all my missing gets jumbled up inside of me. You know honeysuckle talc powder? Mama used to smell like that. She told me, honeysuckle's really a flower, but all I know is the powder that smells like Mama. Sometimes when the missing gets real bad, I go to the drugstore, and before the guard starts following me like I'm gonna steal something, I go to the cosmetics lady and ask her if she has it. I have a connection. My connection is when I grew up in Houston, Texas, we had honeysuckle on the fence. I remember the sweet smell, so I can connect to him. I miss that smell. I miss going outside and being able to just feel safe because the honeysuckle meant that I was safe in my backyard. I also miss my mom's smell when I'm not around her. I'm lucky I still have my mom, but every now and again, when I smell her perfume, I miss my mom. I get what it feels like to miss somebody. I hope you write down your notes, and I hope you write down your inner conversation. When we come to class, I want you to be sure to bring those and be able to turn and talk to your partner about what's going on when you read Mama.